How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can export your Gcode in the Creality slicer. Now, the Gcode is really important because it sends the instructions onto your 3D printer. So if you want to export that, it's going to be extremely simple. The first thing that you want to do is to simply slice your plate. Now, you can do that by clicking on this button right here. Wait for the process to finish. And simply inside this page, you want to navigate through the exact same button, which is going to be the slice plate option. But for now, we then have the pop-up menu. So you just want to click on this pop-up menu. And then you want to click on the export G-code option. You have to select where you want to save your G-code. So in my case, I'm going to be changing it on my desktop. And of course, you can name your G-code to whatever you want to. And if I click on save, click on the replace option, since maybe you have a same name right here. And then there you have it, successfully exported our G-code. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.